In order to move data between the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE and your USB flash drive, what you need to do is you need to simply use the My Files app that we can find inside the Samsung folder, at least by default, in the app drawer. Now, once you go to the My Files app, you should be able to find any file that you wish to transfer. And what you can do now is, for example, press and hold your finger on the file in order to select it. You can, of course, select multiple files at once. And after that, we're going to choose Move in the bottom left corner. And then we need to choose where we want to transfer. So right now, I'm trying to transfer from the internal storage to the USB flash drive. In this case, then I need to go to USB storage. You can swipe over here in case you don't see it. And you can choose where you want to move these files to. So let's say I'm gonna choose the music folder over here. Let's drop here. And that is pretty much done after that. Now, if you want to transfer something from the flash drive to the internal storage of your smartphone, then of course we want to go to USB storage first. We want to proceed to the files, to the folder where we have our files that we wish to transfer, and just do the same thing, select them, and choose Move. And then we can select internal storage, and we have to decide where we want to drop it. So, in my case, I'm just gonna choose music again. I'm gonna move it here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.